Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add the Fireworks 2024 effect for New Year's. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, scroll down to Video Effects, and then you'll find 2024. And now we're going to find the Fireworks 2024 effect, click and drag it down to your timeline. And now you're going to set it to the beginning of your clip, of your timeline if you want it to be the full length of your video. This is just a clip. And now with it being selected, we can go up to the Special Effects tab and mess with the filter, the horizontal range, size, speed, and the vertical. And we can also add keyframes if we'd like. So let's take a look at it. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. I hope you guys have a happy New Year's. Bye-bye.